State BJP General Secretary P. Premananda Maite stated that BJP is a dedicated organization, not an election-centric party, and will continuously work to restore peace in Manipur. A BJP delegation led by Premananda Maite arrived in Jiribam by road for a 5-day tour, carrying the message of peace following the unrest that began on May 3, 2023. BJP Imphal West President PH Phoni Meete also joined the 5-day tour. Upon arrival, the team held a meeting with members and councillors of Jiribam Municipal Council, JMC. Speaking to reporters, Premananda Maite stated that the initiative aims to rebuild trust and harmony among all communities in Jiribam. The tour was conducted under the guidance of BJP State President and Rajya Sabha MP A. Sharda Devi, along with Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand. During the meeting, JMC representatives raised local issues, including concerns regarding the inner line permit ILP counter. Premananda Maite immediately briefed the Chief Minister about these matters. He assured that the Chief Minister has promised prompt action.